Hi, this is Odisha Education and Development Center. Today we will learn all the formulas of Microsoft Excel. So let's open Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel open करिया. Window key plus R. Type Excel. Press enter or click OK. It will open Microsoft Excel. So we can click over new and blank workbook. आमे न्यू रे क्लिक करिके ब्लैंक वर्कबुक रे क्लिक कले गोटे नुआ ब्लैंक वर्कबुक ओपन हबो. कंट्रोल प्लस स्क्रॉल द माउस, इट विल जूम द वर्क एरिया, वर्कशीट एरिया. So let's have some data. Basic salary 18,000. HRA, let it to be 8%, equal to C2 into 8 by 100. Then DA, let it to be 31%, equal to C2 into 31 by 100. Next PF, Provident Fund, let it to be 10%, equal to C2 into 10 by 100. LIC, let it to be 12%, equal to C2 into 12 by 100. Then what will be the gross salary? Equal to sum, bracketed. Just select all of the data you want to make sum. So that will be the gross salary, and net salary will be equal to gross salary minus PF plus LIC. So PF is the F2 plus LIC is the G2. So this is the net salary or cash in hand. In the same way, some more records also we can enter. Deepak 19,500. So these all things we can do. Fill down, Control D we can press in order to fill down. So save the document, browse, desktop, choose salary for January 2022. So 1003, Santosh 18,000. We can drag all these things. Just select the data and drag it from the right bottom corner. So open the document. Next 1005, Prakash 18,000. So this way we can input the data to the data sheet. So now we can go for the formulas. So this is the formula tab. We can get all the formulas. The formulas are otherwise called as functions in Excel. So we can say formula or we can say functions. Both are same. So insert function is a option to insert any kind of function to the current cursor pointing cell. So if I want to add the basics or I want to work over the basic salary, put the cursor over the desired position. Desired position ऊपर cursor रखंतु. रखिला परे insert function रे click करंतु. So there we can find all functions, or we can have a group of functions related to the financial, date and time, math and trigonometric, statistical, lookup references, database, text, logical, information and engineering, cube, compatibility and web. So let's start with date and time functions. So these are the different functions: date, date value, day. These are the different functions. So we can have some functions like now. So definitions of the function is given below. Now, and there is no arguments inside the bracket. It returns the current date and time formatted as a date and time. So click OK. So it will insert equal to now and click OK. It will return the current system date and time. In the same way, we can write even equal to today and put the brackets. It will return the current system date only. In the same way, the functions and their uses are written below. Next, we will go for math and trigonometric functions. So there are many different functions are available with math and trigonometric group, like cos, tan, sine. So some of the functions we may see like fact. So it will return the factorial of the value. It will return the factorial of the number, given number, whichever we will supply inside the bracket, like equal to fact and give the number as 5. So 5 factorial is equal to 120. So in the same way, we can insert cos, okay, cos 90. So it returns minus 0.448073616, like that, a number cos 90, value of cos 90. So in the same way, there are some more functions like logarithm functions. Log, it will return the log of 5 base 2. So base 2 logarithm of 5, the value of base 2 logarithm of 5 will be returned, that is 5 log 2. Then base 10 logarithm equal to log 10 bracketed 5. 5 रा base 10 logarithm value return करियो 5 log 10, this one. Next we will go for, so this way there are several functions available with math and trigonometric group, like sum, square root. We can calculate, we can get the square root of 81, so it will return 9. So let's see next functions. Math and trigonometric statistical functions, average. So we can get the average of the above values equal to average C2 colon C6. This is the range we are giving with the colon sign. C2 to C6 जतिकी value थिबो से सब value गुड़ाक it will accept. Then it will calculate the average, that is 1901. Next, count, average if. So average if bracketed range, these are the average, if it is greater than 18,000. Greater than 18,000. So it will calculate the average of those numbers which are greater than 18,000, and all the 18,000 numbers will be not in the average. It will calculate the average of 19,500, 22,000. these two numbers average will be calculated. So in the same way, count A, count blank, count if, it shows the definition. Even if we are writing any functions, it shows the definitions. Count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers only. Count C2 to, let it to be C1 to C6. So C1 to C6, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, but it reflects as 5 because average will return only the cells having numerical values. It shows count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers only. So count A will return count the numbers of cells in a range that are not empty. That means any value. If a cell contains any value, it will count the cells C1 to C6. So it will return 6 because any of the value it contains. In the same way, count if is there. Count if C1 to C6, let it to be C2 to C6, if greater than 18,000. So it will count those cells are having the value greater than 18,000. So only two cells having greater than 18,000 values. In the same way, there are more functions we can insert in Microsoft Excel, and we can see some of the text functions, logical functions in the next video. Thanking you. Hope you have enjoyed the video.